Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is our class 11th subject history, and we are in theme the confrontation of cultures. This is our theme 9th, and today we will discuss among the three cities or the states of America. Yesterday we have discussed one state and one culture or civilization. Today we will discuss another two states of Central America, the Mayas. The Mayas of Central America. There are three main states, or the three civilizations, three central located states of the American civilization. Today we will discuss Maya. Maya was the central state of America in 15th century. The Mayan culture of Mexico developed remarkably between the 11th and 14th centuries, but in the 16th century they had less political power than Aztecs. The important Mayan civilization were Mexico, Honduras, El Salvador and Guatemala. ये तो इम्पॉर्टेंट सिविलाइजेशन जो थे मायन कल्चर के, मायन सिविलाइजेशन के, मायन स्टेट के. तो then we will look after or go through the political or the social life of the people of Maya state. Maya state was a state or a culture that developed between 11th and 14th century, and the important centers of the civilization were Mexico, Guatemala, Honduras and El Salvador. First of all, before we will take the social life of Mayas, we will take the political or the rulers of the Maya. The king of Maya used to run the administration with the help of nobility. There was a hierarchy of nobles, officers that helped the king or the ruler to run the administration smoothly. So the nobles and the priests that helped the king to run the administration, and they served the several servants also served as slaves, and among the slaves there were both genders, the male and female servants or the slaves that helped to the priests, nobles or the officials during their tenure, during the period of the administration. Now we will take the social life of Mayas. Their religious ceremonies were based on agriculture. First, their social relation was based on agrarian system. अगर हम माया सोसाइटी या सोशल लाइफ की बात करेंगे तो माया सोसाइटी वाज डिवाइडेड इनटू सेवरल क्लासेस. मुख्तलिफ तबकों में तकसीम थी माया civilization or the society. First of all, the priests and the nobles. The priests enjoyed high social status. Then we have nobility, and the priests held second phase after the king, after the rulers, after the kings. The nobles and the priests have the second position in the society. बादशाह के बाद उमरा और जो मजहबी मुकाम रखते थे, मजहब से वाबस्ता जो प्रीस्ट्स थे, religious authorities थे, they were in second position. They had the status at its second level in the society, and they after priests and this they enjoyed the high social status after the rulers. Nobility and priests held second place in the social hierarchy. The slaves and had the lowest social strata or the social position. The position their position was very deplorable. यानी बादशाह के बाद जो दूसरे नंबर पे थे वो उमरा थे, वो मज़हब से वाबस्ता प्रीस्ट्स वगैरह थे. And social system was based on this hierarchy. The social relation was based on the agrarian system. क्योंकि ज़िम्मेदारी जो agrarian के हवाले से agriculture was the main occupation of the people. The people were related with the sowing, growing, and harvesting. Corn, there was bumper crop of corn. यानी अगर हम एग्रेरियन की बात करेंगे, इकोनॉमिकल एक्टिविटीज़ की बात में एक्टिविटीज़ में हम ये मायाज की बात करेंगे. they were engaged in corn cultivation. Efficient agricultural production generated surplus, which helped the ruling classes, priests, and chiefs to invest in architecture and in the development of astronomy and mathematics. This surplus helped ruling classes, priests, and chiefs to invest in the architecture and the development of astronomy and mathematics. यानी एग्रीकल्चर बेस्ड सोसाइटी थी, एग्रेरियन बेस्ड सोसाइटी थी. द एग्रेरियन एंड द एग्रीकल्चरल सरप्लस आर द investment helped the priests, nobles, and other fields of life. For example, they have interest in the chiefs, the priests, and the ruling class. Then developed the astronomy. They developed the mathematics. They in different fields of life because of the rich agriculture, because of the agricultural products or the bumper stock of agricultural products. Then we have cultural activities. What was the cultural activities of the people of Maya? Made significant cultural activities made significant development of agriculture, especially horticulture. जो था, that was the significant development in the field of architecture. They progressed of astronomy and mathematics. Before this, we have discussed that agrarian or the agricultural products helped in the fields of astronomy and mathematics. They devised a pictographic form of writing. They made Maya calendar. यानी कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़ में उनका जो कंट्रीब्यूशन था, that was in the field of mathematics and astronomy. They devised the pictography or pictographic from the writings. उन्होंने पिक्चर्स, जिस तरह हम स्क्रिप्ट्स की बात करेंगे, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पिक्टोग्राफिक स्क्रिप्ट्स थे. इसी तरह मायन पीपल जो थे, मायन जो स्कॉलर्स थे, उन्होंने पिक्टोग्राफी के फील्ड में, स्पेशली इन राइटिंग में पिक्टोग्राफी का बहुत ही उनका मतलब कंट्रीब्यूशन रहा है. आल्सो दे मेड कैलेंडर. पॉलिटिकल एक्टिविटीज़ के हवाले से दे हैड लेस पॉलिटिकल पावर, देयर रूलिंग क्लास वाज स्ट्रॉन्ग. यानी इससे पहले हमने पॉलिटिकल अथॉरिटी की बात की. नाउ वी विल टेक द रिलीजन ऑफ मायन पीपल. The Maya people had two main gods, the sun god and the corn god. एक तो वो सूरज की पूजा करते थे, दूसरे वो प्रोडक्ट के हवाले से, एग्रीकल्चर के हवाले से, there was a bumper crop of corn and they worship the corn god. Besides this, they used to worship the fire god, the forest god, the land god, the rain god, etc. यानी इन जो मेन जो वर्शिपर्स जो थे सन गॉड और कॉर्न गॉड के अलावा, वो तो फायर गॉड, फॉरेस्ट गॉड, लैंड गॉड एंड रेन गॉड के हवाले से भी पूजा पाठ में मशगूल थे. They constructed temples, appointed priests to upkeep these temples. Now we will take the Inca. The Incas, this is the next civilization of American during the 15th century. The Incas were also known as the Conchas, the capital city of Cuzco. Cuzco was established by the first Inca emperor Manco Cápac in the 12th century. They spoke Quechan language. Aztecs and the Incas shared some common features, that is the hierarchical society and with no private ownership of resources, and were very different from European culture. यानी अगर हम मायन कल्चर के बाद हम इनकाज की बात करेंगे तो इज़्टेक्स और इनकाज के दरमियान कुछ सिमिलरिटीज़ थे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दे हैड पॉलिटिकल पावर. द रूलिंग क्लासेस जो उनके हवाले से जो दे स्पोक डिफरेंट लोकल लैंग्वेजेस एंड फीचर्स ऑफ हेरारिकल सोसाइटी. इनकी भी बाज़ाब्ता तौर जो सोसाइटी जो थी वो मोरूसी टाइप की सोसाइटी थी. नो प्राइवेट ओनरशिप of resources and were different from the European cultures. This was regarding the Incas. Now we will take the Incas different positions of Incas. For example, if we take political powers of Incas, they had emperor occupied the supreme authority. Emperor occupied the supreme authority or the supreme position. He was believed to be a progeny or offspring of the sun god. यानी बादशाह जो था, the emperor occupied the supreme position. He was believed to be the progeny of or the offspring of sun god. जो इनकाज के हवाले से अगर हम पॉलिटिकल की बात करेंगे, वो अपने एम्परर को एक सुप्रीम पोजीशन देते थे और दे बिलीव्ड टू बी he was or the emperor was the progeny of or the offspring of sun god. All the people in the empire, इनकाज के हवाले से बात कर रहे हैं. empire used to worship emperor like a god. His word was believed to be a law. यानी इनकाज के हवाले से वो उनका ये मानना था कि उनका जो बादशाह था, उनका जो एम्परर था, his word is law, equivalent to law, and they believed to be or they treated his word as law. Administration की हम बात करेंगे. The main aim of their administration was the public welfare. लोगों की खिदमत और लोगों के सहूलियात के लिए, वेलफेयर के लिए they divided empire into small provinces led by the governors. These governors were assisted by some military and civil officers. This was their political structure, that the emperor was having the highest position or the supreme position, and the administration was looked after by under his command by the governors at province level, and they were assisted by some military and civil officers. Then we will take architecture of Incas. जो architecture, the people of Inca were great architectures. They built massive palaces, forts, temples and other magnificent buildings. जो अगर हम इनकाज की बात करेंगे, इनका सिविलाइजेशन की बात करेंगे, उनका आर्किटेक्चरल जो फील्ड फन तामीर के हवाले से हम बात करेंगे. पीपल वेर ग्रेट आर्किटेक्चर, इंटरेस्ट ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर्स. दे बिल्ट मैसिव palaces, forts, temples and other magnificent buildings. Besides these buildings, they construct roads, bridges, tunnels, etc. Then we will take the social life or the society of the Incas. Society के हवाले से the Inca society was divided into various classes. King was the supreme. After the king, the nobility and the priestess were important. Then we have the teachers, we have the physicians, we have the soldiers, and also were the privileged class. The peasants and the slaves stood at the lowest level in the social system or the social hierarchy. सोशल ग्रुप जो हम बात करेंगे इनकाज के हवाले से, तो इनका जो सिस्टम जो था, दे हैड द लेवेस्ट लेवल, देयर वायर द स्लेव्स, देयर वायर द पीजेंट्स, जो लेवेस्ट लेवल में आते हैं, those were the peasants and the slaves. Then we will take the religion of the people. The life of Inca people was much influenced by the religion. Although they were polytheists, but sun god was their chief god. They believed that their first king, Manako Capac, was the progeny of sun, and so the Inca kings got constructed several temples in the memory of sun god across their empire. So the people, a large number of priests were appointed in these temples. फिर अगर हम इनका civilization की बात करेंगे, the decline of the civilization was during the factors were responsible for the decline of the Inca civilization. अगर हम कहेंगे Spanish invasion जो that took place in 1532, and they lost much its जो power जो उनका था, they lost it, and also it was due to the civil war which broke out between the different societies or the neighboring countries. तो this was secondly. अगर हम बात करेंगे there was the incapable or the these rulers, they were not in a position to uphold the administration accordingly, and there was the European resulted the outbreak of several diseases among the Inca people that was on the health grounds. Different people died, so that too was considered one amongst the causes of the this downfall or the decline. Also, the people of Inca used traditional arrows, swords, and etc. It resulted the disappearance of the Inca civilization. Thank you. We will take next.